Hi everybody, I just wanted to take you through week 3 of quarter 4 with all the information. So first and foremost, when you start, make sure you're checking your inbox here for any messages and also check announcements. Normally when I post an announcement, it goes automatically to your inbox on Canvas. So if you click on your announcements, you'll see a new announcement for week number 3, quarter 4. And as usual, no Zoom today. If you do want to Zoom, please make sure you email me. I'll send you a link and we can meet individually. And you've got 5 assignments. You've got your quiz, the importance of eating healthy for students. That one is going to be due on Monday for the Monday, Wednesday kids, and Tuesday for the Tuesday, Thursday kids. You have a fitness log for week number 3. That one's due Monday/Tuesday. You have an adaptive sports discussion board. That one is going to be due Wednesday/Thursday. And then you've got your mile run and your PFT curl up test. Those are due Friday, but like I said, I encourage you to do them throughout the week. I will not extend these assignments. You've had all week to do these, so make sure you do them on time. Okay, you have 5 days to complete these, so try to get those done. And then I'll talk about each one individually. So when you go ahead and go into your module, you click modules, it takes you to week number 3, quarter 4. I'm going to put it in student view. So if we go in student view, this is what you'll see. Notice how these assignments are all grayed out. You cannot click on any of them. So you make sure that you're watching this instructional video in its entirety. I usually explain all the assignments pretty thoroughly. Once you've watched the video, you're going to click next, and then it will unlock your assignments automatically for you. So the first one I wanted to talk about is the curl up test. You've already done this twice before, so this will be your third time. Some students are new, so this will be their first time. I suggest, if you're not sure, watch the video in its entirety. It'll show you how to do the curl up test. When you click next, it'll give you instructions or the cadence. So you hit the play button, and it's I think it's about 3 minutes, and it'll just tell you up, down, and then it counts off. So you'll do the your curl ups to that cadence. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and submit your score. So make sure that you use the cadence when you're testing. You're going to go ahead and try it on your own, count your score, and then once you've done it, it'll be within a range of 0 to 80. Once you've completed your PFT curl up, you'll go ahead and click take the quiz, and then so it's going to be right here, and then you'll submit your score. So if you click take the quiz, you'll submit a score here. And then this pops up. You have 30 minutes to submit your score. It only takes 3 minutes max to do this test. And you'll just go ahead and insert your answer right here. So say you went and you did it and you did all 80 of them. You're just going to input 80 and hit submit quiz. Okay. Reminder, if you can't do it, you have some type of medical emergency and you have to record a 0, please just email me. I've had a couple of students follow up with me last week letting me know that they couldn't do the push-up test, and I appreciate that. I need to know these things. That way I know what your medical conditions are. So if there's something that you can't do, please just email me, email your instructor, let us know what's going on. Okay, so once you've done that one, you'll go ahead and click next. And like I said, you have till Friday to do it, but I suggest you do it in advance. The next assignment that comes up is going to be the article, The Importance of Eating Healthy for Students. Sometimes it might pop up like this. That's okay. You just click on the white title and it links you straight to the article. Okay. And then once you've read the article, you'll click next. And then I also included the link here, so it'll take you straight to it. And then you have 30 minutes to complete this 10-question multiple choice quiz. Thank you, Jasmine Gutierrez, for creating this week's quiz. Go ahead and when you hit take the quiz, that'll start you, and then you'll have 30 minutes to complete it. Okay, and then we'll go to the next assignment you have for Monday/Tuesday is your fitness log. So normal fitness log, you got 30 minutes to complete any workout you want. I've got a lot of athletes that are doing second season sports. If you want to use your practice, you can. Just be thorough about it. Let me know exactly what you did. If you did volleyball practice, you served volleyball 50 times, you did 50 push-ups, you ran the court however many times, just list everything you did. Okay, be very specific. If you decide you want to walk/run or bike for 30 minutes, submit the screenshot, track it on your app. Don't just record, I went for a walk for 30 minutes or I went for a bike ride. I need to see it on the app. Okay. make sure that you're submitting that. If you decide you want to do some other fitness thing, that's fine too. Just make sure that you're attaching it into the submit assignment box. And reminder, you get 10 points for your fitness log. So if you send me the screenshot here, you'll get 10 points. If not, make sure you're including all the following on your fitness log. Okay, date of the exercise session, details of your workout, make sure you're detailed as possible, total duration of your workout, and then your exercise intensity. And I put here, make sure it's a screenshot. If you send me that, you'll just get the full 10 points. Okay. And then to turn this one in, you're just going to click Start Assignment. And you've got all these different ways: file upload, text entry, website URL, Google Drive. You can send it to me in any of those formats. Okay. And then you just click the blue button to submit your assignment and you're good to go. Okay, the next assignment I wanted to talk about is going to be your cardiovascular day. So we've done this one plenty of times. Make sure that if you're using Nike, you join my challenge for the week so I can track you. If it's not on Nike and it's not on Strava, I'm not going to count it. So make sure you're using one or two, either of those apps. If you want to use them both, that's fine too, just to make sure that it's picking up your tracking. But that's your outdoor. These are your outdoor instructions right here. You've got your indoor, goes on to explain the Nike ones more thoroughly. You've got your indoor instructions. You make sure on the indoor instructions you put a little post-it or take a selfie with your dashboard. The post-it tends to work better. Make sure the post-it is on your dashboard with your full name, the date, and the word of the week is autism awareness. So make sure you're including that on the post-it. And then I just want to make sure that I see your distance and your time. Okay, and you get 10 points for all that. Or you can do the Metaconda workout. I've got a lot of people that do that. Send me the video. If it doesn't fit on this submit assignment button, when you click right here, just submit on the text entry. I emailed it to you. I'll check my email and then I can give you credit that way. Sometimes that works a lot better when you have bigger sized files. If you want to record your workout straight from your computer, you click here and you can just do that too. So you have options. But yeah, normally it's been working for everybody. So, but if you have any questions or problems with it, just send me a message. And then last but not least, you have an adaptive sports discussion. So just want to bring awareness with adaptive sports, different, normal sports that you would play, just how they adapted it so that special needs students can participate. For example, basketball, being able to do like wheelchair basketball, bowling, modifying it so they have like the little helping tools. So I just want you to participate in this discussion, research an adaptive sport. Let me know if it's a Special Olympic event or not. How long has the adapted version been around? How many people can participate at one time? And how does it differ from the original version of the sport? Okay, so make sure you're including all this information to get your full 10 points. Okay, all you do to do this is you click the reply button and then a box will pop up. You can just include your answer right here and then click post reply and it will be posted onto the discussion board. And remember, you can't see the discussion board until you post. So make sure that you are researching your information, putting it up there. If you want to edit it after you've posted, you can, but just make sure that you don't forget to hit this blue post reply button. That way it goes through. Okay, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, send me a message. If you need to Zoom, please do so. I will be at school this week, so if anybody has questions, anyone needs to meet in person for whatever reason, please let me know so we can try to arrange something. Okay, have a great week, you guys. Thank you.